Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about Workday security groups. In our last videos, we learned about domain security policy and business security policy in detail. Now let's see how security groups act as the bridge between users and these security policies. Let's see what are security groups. Security groups in Workday are collection of users who share the same level of access. Instead of giving permissions to each user one by one, we put users into groups and then assign those groups to security policies. This makes Workday security simpler, scalable, and easier to manage. What are the types of security groups? User based security group, which is tied directly to a single user, that is worker. Example, a payroll specialist who needs one off access. That is like I'm a user, I have user based security group which is connected to payroll domain. Role based security group, users assigned based on their role in supervisory organization. For example, HR partner, manager, compensation partner. Supervisory org, HR partner, and security group. Job based security group, users grouped by job profile. All recruiters across the company can be placed in one group. Intersection security group, combination of two groups granting access only if the user belongs to both, like finance role plus location US, access US payroll data only. Aggregation security group, definition combines multiple security groups into one larger group, and HR partner plus compensation partner is equal to HR compensation aggregated group. Segment based security group, users grouped based on specific criteria like company, location, or cost center. For example, managers in the retail division only. Why security groups are important? Security groups are the link between users and policies. Users belong to security groups. Security groups are assigned to domain or business process security policies. That's how Workday knows who can do what and who can see what. Let's see the simple diagram. Workday security groups. That is security group. Here is an employee. Employee. Domain policy. Okay, business process policy. So let's start with the user. Employee, every person in Workday needs access to perform tasks. These users are assigned to security groups. Security groups define who can do what in the systems. Security groups are then linked to security policies. Domain security policy and business process security policy, which controls actions in the workflow. Based on these connections, the user gets the right level of access in Workday. That is access. Access in Workday. Let's see what are the interview questions. What is the difference between a role based and user based security group? Role based applies to a role in an organization, example HR partner, while user based is tied to one specific user. When do we use an intersection security group? When access should be restricted only if the worker belongs to two specific groups, finance plus payroll. Why do we need aggregation security groups? To simplify administration by combining multiple security groups into one. These are the few interview questions. Security groups are the backbone of Workday security, helping us manage who can view or perform actions. So, security groups intersect with different policies to access the data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.